Alright, well, here's a nice little circuit I just came up with to make an LED seem like an incandescent lamp. And I think I'm going to use this on J&L Junction. It's a really simple circuit. It's a little bit more complicated than the one in the diagram I just posted, but I think I'm going to go with this one instead. So basically, what it does is it puts a capacitor across the LED, and that causes the LED to fade as opposed to just go on and off sharply. And there's also a diode here, and that basically keeps this I/O line from fading as well. So if I didn't have this diode here, then the voltage here on the I/O line, which is supposed to be digital, high or low, would actually the voltage would fade as well. So it would go between 0 and 3.3 slowly as opposed to quickly. So this diode basically provides isolation from what's happening over here. So I'll demonstrate that for you right now in the circuit simulator. And basically this simulates the push button for the turnout. So when you hit the push button, that LED the green LED fades on, and then it fades out, just like an incandescent bulb. And you'll notice this voltage here went quickly from 3.3 to 0 and then back to 3.3 when I release the button. So that's it. Bye-bye.